Here we are, we're on the Buffalo Skyway. We'll turn sideways. This is April 22nd, 2021. And 2 weeks ago we broke a record for 81 degrees. It was a record from 1991 when it was 80 or 71 degrees. So we broke it by 10 degrees. And now this is some silos over that way, and we got where the Sabres play over there. And really you can't see a whole lot because we're getting some snow. Funny thing is people were already out kayaking and boating, and I've seen a bunch of people walking down the trail that goes under the Peace Bridge. Yep. So there you go, folks. There's the Buffalo Skyway. And now I'm taking it to Tift, which is going to take me to Mercy Hospital to go see my mother. And hopefully some prayers, and have a great day.